Hello everyone, let us see in this video about carbocation. So carbocations are obtained due to heterolytic cleavage. So we have already discussed about carbocation and types of cleavages in our previous video on reaction intermediates. So you please just go through that and come back to this. So that would be easy for you to follow. So carbocations are obtained due to heterolytic cleavage. So for example, methyl chloride dissociates to form methyl carbocation and chloride ion. As we discussed earlier, it is planar geometry, sp2 hybridized and 6 electron spaces, that is electron deficient spaces. In order to attain octet configuration, it needs 2 more electrons, hence it is electron deficient spaces. It is a diamagnetic as well. This is about carbocation. As far as CSIR examination or GATE examination is considered, questions will be asked from carbocations in its formation, types, stability and reactions. Let us see in this video about the carbocation formation first. Carbocations are obtained by electrophilic addition of alkenes. See here, alkene due to electromeric effect. So I hope you know the 4 electronic effects. You remember about the electromeric effect in it. So electromeric effect is the generally double bond C is converted into the electron, that is the pi electron is shifted towards any one of the carbon atom. Thus it makes one carbon carrying the negative charge and another carbon carrying the positive charge. This is happening depending upon the other substituent that is attached to the carbon. So if any electronegative atom is attached to this carbon atom, the carbon which shows negative charge, if any negative electronegative atoms are attached in this side, then the electrons will be pulled towards this carbon atom. So this is called as electromeric effect. This happens depending upon the other substituent in the alkene group, especially electronegative atom. So when any species, any neutral molecule reacts with this species, then the electrophilic part that will be added to the negative, the carbon carrying the negative charge. Hence it results in this compound. The nucleophilic part will be added to the carbon having positive charge, then it will be giving the neutral compound. So electrophilic addition of alkene is one example in which carbocation is generated. The next one is nucleophilic substitution of alkyl halide. Say for example, when alkyl halide is treated with aqueous potassium hydroxide, then it produces a carbocation which further reacts with hydroxyl ion and gives alcohol, ROH. So this is one of the example where carbocation is generated. Another example is that the electrophilic substitution reactions of benzene. Friedel-Crafts reaction. So I hope you remember Friedel-Crafts reaction. So it's alkylation or acylation of benzene. So that is electrophilic substitution reaction during the reaction we get rhenium ion. So rhenium ion is one kind of carbocation. So during the alkylation, CH3 plus or alkyl carbocation is produced. During the acylation, acyl carbocation, that is CH3CO plus or RCO plus. Actually, acyl carbocation is much more stabilized by resonance. I hope you all remember it. So that is one kind of carbocation. So the other way of its formation is during the reaction, if any possibility of getting aromatic nature, then we can think about formation. It's, for example, here in this example, aromaticity, wherever it is possible, we can expect the carbocation formation. Here cyclopropyl bromide, when it reacts with AgNO3 and it gives a carbocation, that is cyclopropyl carbocation is generated. So wherever there is possibility of getting aromaticity, then we can expect the carbocation. So another example is that diasterization reaction. During the diasterization reaction, for example, when aniline reacts with nitrous acid, which is actually produced from NaNO2 and HCl mixture. It is in situ synthesized, because I hope you all remember that nitrous acid is unstable at room temperature. Hence, we have to carry out the reaction at ice cold condition, that is at least between less than 5 degrees centigrade. When aniline reacts with this nitrous acid, it produces benzene disonium chloride, benzene disonium ion. So that leads to the formation of aryl carbocation by the elimination of nitrogen. So this produced aryl carbocation is less stable because the resonance is not that much effective, because one of the carbon atom which has empty p orbital, so the effective resonance is not possible. Hence the aryl carbocation is very less stable. These are all the 5 ways you can list that the formation of carbocation. So we will see now the types of carbocation. There are 2 types of carbocation. One is classical carbocation and other one is non-classical carbocation. Let us discuss about non-classical carbocation in later. So now